Remember when I said the storm was coming? Well, it came faster than I wanted it to. Freak. That's what I've been trying to work on. Mock-up. Front mount is in its spot. Been trying to figure out the piping. I'm going to get piped into this. Stinking snow. So I'm going to take the turbo off. Get it back inside so it don't get ruined. Take the manifold with me and the throttle body, get it cleaned. So yeah. Well guys, it's definitely snowing out there. Darn it. I need to trim out the front here. This plastic stuff for the front mount. I'm working on cutting out that stuff right there. Cut it out, let the front mount fit. We'll see how long the snow sticks around. Darn it, this sucks. Alright guys. It snowed for an hour. Then it got crappy and rainy. So it got sunny again. I don't know. It's confusing me. So I'm back. I'm gonna work some more. It's a little warmer now actually. The wind's gone and the sun is blinding me. So that's a good sign. Alright guys. End the little storage unit for now. While things dry off. Got the ice removed. I'm gonna work on cutting more of this bumper out. You can see I already started cutting and trimming. See if we could get the front mount to sit under the factory bumper. So let's work on cutting more of this out. See if that works. Plastic cutting. This wheel isn't burning down too much. It's literally melting plastic onto it. It's getting so hot it's melting it to the tip. So that's kind of crazy. It's all melted and weird. Dremel for the win. So definitely warning if you're using the Dremel, because this stuff just melts, and it flung on my finger and got really hot, and it was hot and sticky, and it didn't come off. So make sure you wear gloves, because I did not, and I got burned by flying hot plastic. Okay, so the intercooler is a hair wider. We're definitely going to have to take off some of this here and probably some of this here, because we'll have to put the piping in there. So I need to take off the other side as well. So let's take it off and test fit it again. Alright guys, it's been kind of a long, crazy day. One second. Okay. It's been a long, crazy day. The sun is almost set there behind me. I worked for hours trying to get stuff done on the house. That didn't happen, so I turned over to the car. And I think it's been a really productive day. So I'm happy. The snow went away. It went around us. There's some right there. And went on the other side of the mountain. We're kind of in a valley. They call it Long Valley. So it snowed for a little bit. Everything has dropped in temperature by a lot. It's definitely a lot colder now and everything's refreezing, but big progress on the CRV today, which is awesome. And yeah, I'm gonna be done for the day. Been doing this for a while. I'm gonna go get dinner, hang out with the family tonight. So let me show you what was going on, and then we'll end it for the day. Alright guys, there's the Butte. So where I originally had it mounted, I could not get it to go far enough back. I wish I didn't cut out all the extra stuff, but I cut it out to make it fit, but I still couldn't get it fit, and I really didn't want to cut more of that open. So I don't know if I'll glue that section back in to make it look more stock, or I'm just going to paint it black to hide it a little bit better underneath there. So I finally got a place to mount it. The intercooler, I got piping on that side and that side. I got the turbo clocked and mounted where I think I need it. So let's go check it out. So was test fitting the bumper, make sure it works. There it is. So there's one little section. Pop this down. Okay. So there's that section right there, which I need to cut that one and bring it in a little bit. But it's still off, but it fits under the bumper. So what I might do is look for the 2.5 inch 45s and just put a piece in between there. That's what I think I'm going to try to do, because this will go up here when it's up all the way and it's almost level now with how I mounted the things. So then if I just had a 45 and a 45, it'd be perfect. So I got them fully threaded. Oh, what size are they together? I'll have to fix that. So I threaded them in, drilled holes, used some rod, and I'll put one on the bottom for our bottom support. Make sure that is good to go. I don't want it falling. Over here I have a 90, and I need to get a 90 coupler to come up off this. So 2.5 90 degree to come up to here. And then here I'll have blow off valve. Where does it go? So it'll go kind of like that. So I have blow off valve section with a small turn to go into the throttle body. So I need to get a 3 to 2.5. I need to figure out how big my section there is. And then I have another 45 I can cut to take out the last bend. I have plenty of straight couplers. Got the turbo in there. So I'm going to try to do the piece coming up, dump tube. And this will have it hopefully turn and come up, and have the AM wideband air fuel gauge and the exhaust there. So we made great progress today on this stuff, plus more stuff in the old shed. But this is the best part. Got the, like I said, got the exhaust off, got it all ready, got it temp mounted so we can test this out. Alright guys, there you have it. That's another day on the CRV. Make sure you like and subscribe. There's definitely more to come. I got some awesome news. I won't give it out yet, but it's dealing with the tuning and some other YouTubers. So that's the hint. Guess below what I am going to have the opportunity to do, and you guys are going to love it. It's going to be a couple cool days. You're going to love it. It's going to add on to this whole YouTube challenge experience. You don't want to miss it. So make sure you like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at WT Garage _UT. No, that's Twitter. Instagram's just WOT Garage. Then we got Wide Open Throttle Garage on Facebook. And make sure you continue to follow the channel, because there's some awesome stuff coming. There's more to come. You're going to love it. I'm excited. I'm super pumped. It's such a cool opportunity. I'm glad I got it. And then we'll see you next time. So don't miss it.